Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be going over some of the most useful power-ups I have found with using Trello for years. All of these power-ups are free to use. Let's get started. My favorite power-up is Trello's Calendar. Using this power-up with both desktop and mobile versions has saved me multiple times from remembering certain items and hitting critical deadlines. The ease of use and setup between both applications is second to none. When you set due dates, you can click and drag cards around to change the due dates quickly. I will now quickly change over to the mobile screen. You can see here in the mobile app, when clicking the calendar power up here, it will be brought to this screen. Items are shown here with a traditional calendar, as well as a list below this. You can easily view upcoming tasks. You will never forget another upcoming task. Don't forget to set reminders on your card so you get notifications. Not far behind is Butler. This automation tool has saved me hours from moving cards, creating checklists, and saving on time for team member work tasks. Using Butler efficiently has also minimized errors in manually inputting of data. Creating an automated system for job checklists to make sure you have the required documents from clients is an amazing time saver. I will be creating a very in-depth project management board from scratch, which utilizes Butler a ton. Check this out in our future video series. Google Drive is another favorite. Google Drive is widely used, so it is easy to collaborate with new team members. Adding documents to your Trello board saves on time from navigating to try to find the right documents. Creating and changing documents together on Google Drive and linking these files with Trello's organization is a powerful way to make sure you never skip a beat. Custom fields is another really great one. You can use this to track new and potential clients and maintaining teams' workflow with upcoming projects. Here you can set checkbox, date, text, dropdown, and number. Here's an example of a custom field. Let's run through a quick demonstration here. I've already set up one card to demonstrate this. Let's go to a new card and add some custom fields. Add their name, email, services required, potential lead value, and priority. We have quickly populated this information, and it can be saved for future use. You can use this for follow-ups, just in case you forget, and more. Card aging is another great one. I quickly write down a great idea in Trello from my phone, and then it slips through the cracks, and then I don't see or use the card a few months later. Using this power-up has effectively sped up my productivity to make sure I am staying on track. When you enable this power-up, this will show the last time this card was updated on the top here. You can change this to specific cards like templates and change them to evergreen mode. Select on a card you don't want to age and select evergreen mode under the card aging power-up here. When any card has been updated, they will return to the normal state. That's it for today's quick video. If you like these videos, consider liking and subscribing for more. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.